Hello everyone, today we will learn some important words you see in every classroom. Let's start. Whiteboard, also board. This is a whiteboard. We use it to write notes and lessons. For example, the teacher writes on the whiteboard. Board pen. This is a board pen. We use it to write on the whiteboard. For example, she uses the board pen to write. Notice board. This is a notice board. We use it to show important information. For example, there is a note on the notice board. Notice. This is a notice. It's a piece of information on the notice board. For example, the notice tells about a test. Desk. This is a desk. Students sit at desks to do their work. For example, she sits at the desk. Chair. This is a chair. Students sit on chairs. For example, he sits on the chair. Bag. This is a bag. Students carry their books and supplies in it. For example, she puts her books in the bag. Pen. This is a pen. We use it to write on paper. For example, he uses a pen to write. Course book. This is a course book. It contains lessons and exercises. For example, they read the course book. Pencil. This is a pencil. We use it to write and draw. For example, she writes with the pencil. Table. This is a table. It is used to place items on. For example, they put books on the table. Dictionary. This is a dictionary. It helps us understand words and their meanings. For example, he looks up a word in the dictionary. CD. This is a CD. It contains audio or video information. For example, she listens to music on the CD. CD player. This is a CD player. It plays CDs. For example, they use a CD player to listen. Piece of paper. This is a piece of paper. We write on it. For example, he writes on a piece of paper. Exercise book or notebook. This is an exercise book or a notebook. Students write notes and do exercises in it. For example, she writes in her notebook. Great job everyone! Now you know some important classroom words. Try using these words in your sentences and share them down below in the comments. And also tell me, what other classroom items do you use every day in the classroom? Let me know in the comments down below. See you in the next lesson.